Good morning. This is the second part from my previous video where I am in a hidden place in London. Hidden place. Yesterday, as you could say on the video, I wasn't feeling too well. Today I'm much better. I have rested, so I felt that video needed to be expanded a little bit more, and why I end up where I end up. Let me just start by saying that if I travel back in the past and I look for my younger version, and I get a chance to talk to myself about the things, what sort of things I will tell my younger me. And I will tell my younger me, don't worry about relationships. Just don't worry, don't waste time. Just dedicate yourself to improve yourself, to your personal development. Also, live the moment. We tend to worry about the future. We carry with us things of the past, mistakes, failures, and all those things just drag us backwards. Don't let us move forward, and we feel overwhelmed by the things that are coming in the future, and so we stop living the moment, the immediate moment, the present. So live the present, enjoy yourself. Relationships, they're important. I think I feel that we need good relationships. We need good people to surround us. I tend to use all the negative energy from people and turn it into positive. I use their tools, their energy, and sort of give them back as positive, or make their energy or the tools as of my benefit. And to benefit, yes, but some people, they're so negative, they're just not so the right people to be around, that energy do not interest me, or do not interest us. So I just avoid those sort of people. So I was feeling low, I was feeling depressed, and life is like that, I guess, yes, but it is how you take it and how you use it. When I feel depressed, what I do this: I just go for a walk, relax, go gym. I make myself tired so that I don't have that energy to think about shit that I don't need to think about. But what happens when on your way to the gym you meet someone, a friend, and they're even lower than you, they're even more depressed than you, and then you ask, please don't go gym, come with me, let's have a talk. And Then we have a nice conversation, but I feel that people tend to give you what they live in, what they're what they know. They offer you what they know and what they like. So if you have a friend who does drugs, they tend to offer you drugs. If they are alcoholic or smoke cigarettes, they tend to offer you cigarettes and alcohol. So that was my situation, and I think at the end of the day, it's your decision. It is you who make the decisions. And what did I do? I just decided to ask the person to make a video with me, to record me making a video. And this second part is about telling you, do what others don't do. Yeah, what others waste the time partying, messing about. It is what you do on your own time, but no one is watching. It is how you use that time to grow yourself. What is going to make the actual difference in your life. While everyone is talking, while everyone is going to family reunions, you're just there thinking how I'm gonna make my ideas, my dreams become a reality. And you're working on it, reading books, using your thoughts, your hands, your everything that you can, your knowledge, gaining more knowledge to start building it up. That is what it counts, and that's what it comes to. So don't worry if no one else believes in you. At times it could feel lonely because you might feel no one is supporting you, but I can assure you that in the same way you're working, others are doing the same. Yeah, there are many others who are dedicating their time to grow, but don't be afraid, and trying to meet people who have similar mindset. But also there are people who don't look like they have a similar mindset, same energy level, who can also help you to grow. Even bad situations like the one I have yesterday, meeting someone who was even lower than, more depressed than me, was a great experience, because I was offered amphetamines, weed, all sort of things, but I just decided not to do it. It's not my thing. That doesn't make me happy, and I just don't want it. It's my choice. It's my choice. That's not how I grow. That's not what's gonna make me happy. So it makes no difference for me. So I avoid it. I don't want it. So today, yeah, feeling more relaxed, looking forward. I go to do what the others don't do. Yes. Sometimes it feels like swimming against the current, has no value, but people who are more successful are the ones that do the opposite that everyone else does. So I guess that's the end of this video.